What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And for today's video we have a case from UAG for the Galaxy S10. Now this is the Plasma Series case. It's available on Amazon for $39.95 with Prime shipping. This is the ash color. Links will be in the description below if you're interested in picking one of these cases up. Now all of UAG's cases are approved, drop tested by military standards, and this is an official design from Samsung case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we're working with. Very nice, sleek, protective case. It's going to protect your Galaxy S10. I do have the Galaxy S10 right there on the side, but let's take a quick look inside. You do have some shock absorption technology from UAG, as well as you get a raised lip for the camera lenses there, and as well for the screen up front. You do have full covered buttons here, which are probably going to give you a nice clicky support. So at the bottom you have all your proper cutouts there, as well as on the top. Let's go ahead and place the phone inside the case. Very snug fit, very snug fit. Now this thing looks super awesome. Look at that. This is the ash color paired with the black Galaxy S10, and it looks freaking awesome. It feels good in hand. As I mentioned earlier, you do have that lip protection there over the screen. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector from Whitestone Dome on the phone right now, and it still offers you some lip protection there, so you're double covered. The buttons are covered, as I mentioned, and they're very nice and responsive, very clicky, very tactile, so you do get this very clicky sound, and they're very nice and tactile and responsive, which is always a great feature. If you like a case but those buttons are always hard to press, then pretty much renders the case useless, but that's not the case with the UAG Plasma case, no pun intended. You do have UAG branding there on the back, very nice. You do have this honeycomb texture. Now that's on the inside of the phone, but it does bleed over this clear plastic, which looks good. You can barely see the Samsung logo on Galaxy S10. You do have a little bit of matte finish around this side here, which it gives it a great look, and you do have some rigids here for added grip. Feels very nice, feels good in hand. This thing feels awesome. Look at that, bam, looks freaking cool. And I almost forgot, it does wirelessly charge through the case. So this is the UAG Plasma case. This is the ash color. It's $39.95 on Amazon with Prime shipping. You can't go wrong with this case. Looks super awesome. Thanks for watching. Link will be in the description if you're interested in picking up a UAG leak. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.